Yo, so this is me getting my package from AliExpress where I ordered this earbud. So I just received it today and it came straight down to my country. So this is a particular brand of earbud. It's called QCY Melobuds N50 and it has active noise cancellation functionality, which happens to be the main reason why I decided to get this earbud. So this arrived into my country and I'm about tearing it open and seeing what is inside. So if you've been hoping to get an earbud from this particular brand, this QCY brand, and perhaps you've been trying to search, trying to see if you can get something about the particular brand, this particular brand. Maybe you've been trying to figure out, how does this product look like, how does this brand look like. You're trying to make some information gathering before you order it. So this particular video is for you. So this is me receiving mine from where I ordered it from. So I'll be proceeding with cutting open the package and seeing the item itself. So come with me. Okay, so as I was saying, I'm cutting open the package. So this is the blade I used. Let me move this so where you can see it. So this is it. I'm opening it. Sorry, I'm doing the recording of this video with one of my hands holding the phone and the other hand trying to open the package. So bear with me. So this is it. It's opened and trying to bring it out. Yeah, alright, so this is it. I believe you can't have a good view. This is its QCY Active Noise Cancellation Bluetooth Earbuds Melobuds N50. It matches what I selected when I was doing the ordering, and can you see the specifications? Can you see this charge time, the standby time, the music time, the voltage for the charging, which is the input. So this is looking like an original item that I chose and ordered. Yeah, it's looking like it, but then let me go further and still cut it open the package and see what the real item really looks like. So you can see it has codes that I can scan to confirm information's the authenticity. So okay, so let me proceed with cutting and opening it. So I still have my razor blade with me. So just give me some seconds. So I'm opening it now. I think I have to opening it. Trying to be careful. So this is me opening it up now. Alright, and this is it. Here. So this is the actual item. this is the actual item, brand new, all the way from China. And it took me how many weeks before it got here? I think 2 weeks plus before I got to my country, Nigeria. And from the review I saw on the platform I ordered it from, which is AliExpress, it actually has a good review of 4.8. So can you see? Can you see? Yeah. So this is how it looks like. QCY. Can you see the brand name? I'm trying to position it very well so you can have a good view. So it's actually a nice brand from what I read and what I saw as people's review. It's actually a nice brand and I hope to enjoy it. So if you've been planning to get one for yourself or for your loved one, you can say that this is a brand you would enjoy. And this is a new product, like a new model. That's a better word. A new model of this particular brand called QCY. Is one of their newest products. So this one has support for Bluetooth 5.4 according to what I saw before I ordered it. See? So opening it up, opening the package, the item itself. Let's see. Aha, this is what it looks like. How does this look? Beautiful? Yeah, beautiful. It has active noise cancellation. So you can see this is how it looks like. Really it matches what I ordered exactly. And this is the other side of the air. Yeah, so this is actually what I ordered. This is how it looks like when I was making my selection. So folks, if you're trying to find anything around this brand called QCY, and perhaps you're particularly looking for this particular model called Melobuds N50, so this is how it looks like. This is Melobuds N50, as you can see from the package. N50, you can see this is Melobuds N50. It's one of the newest in their product line. So this is how it looks like. This is a real live unboxing of the QCY Melobuds earbud. Yeah, that's tongue twisting. So I hope this video helps you in any way, in some ways, in making your choices, your selection, your decision making before your purchase. I hope this guide, this short video about it helps you. And like I said, I was looking for information myself before I ordered it, and due to the fact that this particular brand is their newest in their product line, so I wasn't able to get much aside from where I was reading the review of the item from, which happens to be from people that had ordered it from the platform, where I said I saw a review of 4.8, which tells me that it's a nice product. So I myself, I was looking for information around it. I couldn't find much, but here I am also doing some buyers the help of giving them as much information as they want to have, as they're planning to make their choice and selecting these particular products for their music enjoyment. Okay, so that's it. I hope this is helpful, and I hope you make a very good choice while selecting your particular brand of products line to buy from. So that's it, guys. Thank you. Have fun.